If you're sitting with a sense of disappointment, of feeling of failure, keep the following 3 points in mind. A, the fact that you feel disappointed and you feel sad or bad after failure is really, really good. It may not feel like it in the moment, but that means that you're in tune with your own emotions. You're aware of your surroundings, your environment, and you care. That means that you have passion for something. Whenever you have a choice between a negative emotion, a painful emotion, and numbness, being indifferent and not feeling anything, go for the first. You want to feel. It hurts, but we can deal with it. We can work through it. Numbness, it's much more difficult. The second point is the simple understanding that failure and disappointment lead to growth. They're a true opportunity for growth. And lastly, it may sound cliche, but failure and disappointment make us stronger. That means that we're building resilience over time. We're pushing through, we're learning to deal with these difficult experiences, and we ultimately grow and foster new skills.